السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا بكم طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الإعدادي. النهاردة هنكمل مع بعض المنهج بتاعنا وهنحل النهاردة براكتس تيست نمبر 5A براكتس تيست 5B. And the first question is from the following data. Some students are asking scientists about space. Number 1, yes of course, the Earth turns about 1670 kilometers an hour. يبقى هنا هو هتبقى الكويستشن بتاعه طبعا ده البلايند كويستشن هتبقى could you please tell me how fast the Earth turns. Number 1, could you tell me how fast the Earth turns? Yes, of course, the Earth turns about 1670 kilometers an hour. No, but most of them have moons. طبعا هنا ده جملة مش question يبقى هتبقى I wonder if all planets have moons. I wonder if all planets have moons. How I wonder if you Question number 2, write what you would say in each of the following situations. You would like to ask the teacher when he or she started working at the school. يبقى أنا what ممكن أقول له could you tell me when you started working at the school? Number 2, a friend says that he or she thinks that the last lesson was the most interesting that you have had. طبعا هنا I agree أو I disagree يبقى ممكن أقول له I agree with you. وممكن كمان نقول له إيه ممكن أقول له I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree anymore. وممكن لو أنا بقى رافض هقول له I disagree with you. A friend starts to read you an interesting news story but then suddenly stops. يبقى هتقول له إيه؟ go on tell me more. يبقى ممكن أقول له إيه go on tell me more. Question number 3, read the following and then answer the question. Mars has been studied for hundreds of years. طبعا ده اللي هو كوكب المريخ. Astronomers say that it is the planet which is most like the Earth. يعني يشبه الايه؟ الأرض. A day on Mars is normally the same as it is on Earth. It lasts for 24 hours and 39 minutes. However, a year lasts for 1 year and 320 days. So a year on Mars is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. يبقى السنة على المريخ قد سنتين على كوكب الايه؟ الأرض. If you looked at Mars through a telescope, you might see a very big mountain. It is more than 20 kilometers high. That is 3 times as big as Everest. يعني أكبر من جبل إيفرست 3 مرات. Scientists say that that if you went to Mars, you might find water under the surface. However, living on Mars would not be easy. مش هتبقى سهلة. ليه؟ In summer temperature is usually minus 5 degree, and in winter it can be minus 82 degree. طيب, what is the main idea of the passage? طبعا the main idea of the passage is about planet Mars. Planet Mars. What do scientists think might be on the planet Mars that people could use? ايه اللي العلماء بيظنوا ان ممكن يلاقوا ايه عليه؟ اهم حاجه ممكن نستخدمها اللي هي اللي بقى ايه؟ there might find or there might be water under the surface. ان ربما بقى ايه؟ يكون في ميه under the surface. Can you think of 3 reasons that why it would not be possible to live on Earth? 3 أسباب تخليه من الايه؟ ليس من الممكن انك تعيش على الايه؟ المارس. طبعا هو قال لي التمبريتشر، طبعا يبقى عندي the temperature is very low in winter، طبعا منخفضة جدا in winter and high in summer. There is no air. to breathe. مفيش كمان ايه؟ هواء علشان نتنفس. What does the underlying word it refer to? طبعا هنا it هنرجع للقطعة. بيقول لي it lasts for 24 hours. طبعا ده اللي هو ايه؟ a day on Mars. Number 5. What do you think that the word service means? كلمة service معناها ايه؟ طبعا دي the top of the ground. The top of the ground. طبعا question number 4 وده about the story. Jerry Baker. طبعا انا هبدأ من هنا بالcolumn B. بيقول لي always helped to look after black beauty and worked hard. مين اللي هو كان بيعتني ببلاك بيوتي and worked hard. طبعا انا عندي هنا جيري بيكر عندي كابتن عندي جيري's son هاري بلاك بيوتي، وطبعا ده هيبقى ايه؟ جيري's son. Was the best owner and a kind taxi driver. The best owner and a kind taxi driver. طبعا this is a very big. Was the horse that went out with the taxi carriage in the morning. طبعا this is captain. Examined the black beauty carefully. Was pleased with his new owner. طبعا this is black beauty. What did black beauty find difficult about the first day our first few days in London. طبعا إن هو
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله
there were a lot of carriages and people in the street, and it was difficult. كان من الصعب بقى ايه عليه. It was difficult for him to find his way. كان من الصعب بقى عليه ان هو يجد ايه، يجد طريق. Number 2, why did Black Beauty think that Jerry was the best owner he had? Why did Black Beauty think that Jerry was the best owner he had? طبعا because he gave him the best food and rest. لأنه كان بيديله كمان إيه راحة. And he was very kind to him. طبعا هو كان kind جدا. Number 3, why did Black Beauty feel sorry for some of the taxi drivers and their horses? طبعا because they had to work hard all the week to look or to feed their families without any rest. طبعا بدون أي راحة. Why do you think that each of Ginger's owners paid less money for him? يبقى طبعا because she became older and weaker يعني أصبحت أضعف وأكبر and she started to kick again. Question number 5. Do you think that people were always happy to have Jerry as a taxi driver? Why and why not? No, because he didn't always do what people ask him to do. اللي بيطلبوا منه ايه الناس. Question number 5. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Allah asked me all the people in my family were told. وطبعا أتابع كده. I have cleaned the kitchen but the bedrooms cleaned yet. يبقى إيه bedrooms طبعا جمع يبقى haven't been cleaned yet. If you went to the beach we go swimming. يبقى طبعا we could go. The teacher wanted us to how the earth goes around the earth. يبقى to explain. The canal is not natural, it is طبعا man-made. The shop is for new assistant. Perhaps Manel can work there. يبقى is طبعا advertising for new assistant. Question number 6. Rewrite. You must stop smoking. The doctor said to happen. عايز استخدم advice هتبقى the doctor advised حازم the doctor أو الحاكم to stop smoking. يبقى advised حاكم to stop smoking. Number 2. What is the fastest way to Capital Bank? I ask it. هتبقى I ask it. What the fastest way to Capital Bank? طبعا is هتبقى was. Number 3. I liked the book a lot so I decided to read it again. يبقى عايز read it يبقى طبعا I decided يبقى I liked the book a lot so I decided to reread it. وبكده نكون وصلنا لنهاية الامتحان بتاعنا. أتمنى تكونوا استفدتم. Until we meet again, goodbye and good luck.